Amazon sent affiliates a list of over 65,000 items, and I have spent hours and hours putting together a list of deals for you. Please go to my website, Directed Tech, and that's T3CH.com, and you can see everything that I put together. Now, let's look at the list. Here we are at my web page, and let's take a look. First, I'll explain the categories to you. We've got laser machines, laser accessories and upgrades. We've got some exhaust and ventilation, Hodo and Fantic. These are always kind of makers' favorite tools or popular brands. We've got some wood materials. We've got acrylics and specialty sheet materials. We've got engravable blanks and tumblers. And we've got some bags and keychains here, rotary and finishing tools, you know, the Dremels and stuff. And then for those of you in the Sublimation game, we have some items there that might appeal to you as well. Now, let's take a look at some of these deals. First, we've got the xTool F1 Ultra 20 watt fiber. And here you can see this is current pricing. Again, I don't have the sale price yet, but you can go ahead and click on one of these and take a look at the price history, and Alexa will give you an idea of what the low has been over the past year if that's available. You may also use an app like I did, or not an app, but a website, camel.com. They even have a little extension that you can utilize, and it will also give you the lowest price history so that you can make an informed buying decision. Here's another potential deal. This is the S&A CW5000 industrial water chiller. So if you have a CO2 laser that requires water cooling, this might be a great item for you to pick up. This is a lot better than the less expensive CW3000 that is just basically pumping water through a radiator and blowing a fan over it like your car, instead of actually having a refrigeration pump inside of it that actually chills the water. So this could be a great deal. And finally, who couldn't use some fume extraction? Here we have the xTool F1 desktop smoke air purifier. I'm sure this would be great for the F1 Ultra, but also many other devices. If you've got a small laser that's in an enclosure, or heck, even a printer or a UV printer, something like that, this is going to allow you to extract some fumes and filter it. So there are plenty of deals on this webpage. Please take a look at it. Again, these are affiliate links. They don't cost you anything extra to use, but they do help support the channel. So I hope you save a little bit of money during Amazon Prime Days. Now, if you're like me, you might have other hobbies. So please take a look at some of the other videos that I've done for the Amazon Prime Days. As always, I enjoy the time that I get to spend together with you here on the channel. Let's keep on learning, burning, printing, and fixing things together. Take care, everyone.